The first Range Rover manufactured under new social distancing measures rolled off the production line at the Jaguar Land Rover manufacturing plant in Solihull, UK. Effective social distancing, hygiene and health monitoring measures have been implemented after a thorough review of all production lines to ensure maximum safety of the returning workers. The measures include temperature controls with thermal cameras, a distance of 2 meters between people, personal protective equipment, the introduction of one-way systems and improved sanitization of equipment after each use, etc. Employees will be asked to take additional measures before returning to work, such as taking an online clinical questionnaire, subscribing to a health and wellness chart, and checking their temperature at home before each shift, etc. The plant has restarted with 25% of its workforce with only one shift, and as conditions improve, the production is expected to slowly ramp up.
Zone 1D. So it's a great day. We're back at Solihull, seeing our first Range Rovers come off the line after what has been an unprecedented stop for our business. It does mark the start of a slow reintroduction of our production. So I've been around talking to our people today, and the mood is very buoyant. Yeah, people are glad to be back at work. A little bit apprehensive, of course they are, but you can see people are getting back into the swing of working, and they're getting used to social distancing. And it starts right when the people are at home. We've been communicating with our people throughout our shutdown, making sure they're safe and they know what to expect when they come back. So the first step is we ask people to check their temperature when they're at home, because we know temperature is a key indicator of this disease. When they come to work, we're now installing thermal cameras, so we can check temperatures as people come onto site, and we check the temperatures throughout the day randomly. As they came out of the car park this morning, we were taking their temperatures. When they came through, you can see everywhere you go now there are signs, and we've made sure we've marked out every single gangway so people have the 2 metre rule in their mind everywhere they go. The safety and the health of our people is absolutely paramount, and we've done everything we know to do to make sure that we protect everybody's well-being. It's a new world. We've never done this before, but we're learning as we go, and I can tell you now that our people are absolutely coming with us on this journey. So it's absolutely crucial that everybody realises washing your hands is what you now need to do regularly. Yes, we provide hand sanitisers, but the combination of hand sanitizer and washing your hands is what will keep us safe, as well as keeping everybody 2 metres apart or wearing the PPE we provide. So we provided 360 cars to local communities to help them get support to whoever they needed to, and we produced over 14,000 visors a week to give to the local NHS. Today's a hugely important day for Jaguar Land Rover. We're building cars with our people safely again, and it's just great to be back at work.